Hello guys, welcome to Nappy and Heels. I'm Pranchi and today in this video I'm going to talk about how to do pedicure at home. Every product that I use, I'm going to put the links to them in the description box below. So let's start by cutting off the nails. I don't like my foot nails very long, so I'm going to cut my nails really short. You can cut them off according to your preferences. So we are done cutting nails. Now we are going to file off the irregular edges. So now I'm going to use Venus Avocado Gel Bar Razor to remove the hair off of my feet and give it a more clean look. Wipe off your feet real dry. Now I'm going to use a lemon, rub it nicely on your feet, especially in the areas around the ankles, on your heels. Lemon has a great property of vitamin C that is known to lighten your skin. It reduces melanin in your skin. Let the lemon juice sit on your skin for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to use Vival Body Wash Mint plus Cucumber. Add a few drops to lukewarm water and dip your feet in it. Let your skin soak for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, towel dry your feet. Now you'll see that your cuticles have softened, and so we are going to use a cuticle pusher to push the cuticles and remove the dirt around the nails. You can see कितना dirt है nails के आसपास. Oh my god, I'm really shocked. Quarantine has done क्वारंटीन में हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है कि हम खुद को सेल्फ केयर करें. Dip your feet some more for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now use pumice stone to remove the dead skin off of your heels and other areas जहाँ पे भी आपको दिखे कि dead skin है. Just rub it for some time. some more so that the dirt is removed nicely. Here guys, I'm starting to see a difference. Now I'm going to use a Sure exfoliating face scrub. You can use any regular face scrub that you use. Massage the scrub really nicely on your feet. Make sure that you massage between the fingers, behind the feet, at the back side, because that's the area where the dirt usually sits. स्क्रब यूजुअली हाइड्रेट्स द स्किन, क्योंकि हमने लेमन यूज किया था, उससे स्किन ड्राई हो जाती, तो स्क्रब से आपकी स्किन फिर से हाइड्रेट हो जाएगी. यूज अ कॉटन टू वाइप योर फीट क्लीन. Now my friends, you are going to see a considerable difference कि आपके feet पहले कैसे थे और अब कैसे दिखने वाले हैं. All that dirt on the cotton is making me really happy about this pedicure at home. Pat your feet dry. Now I'm going to use Mamaearth C3 face mask. How about we try out our painting skills? Apply the mask all over your feet. This charcoal will activate the dirt and whatever pollution might have damaged your skin. Let the mask sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can either use a bucket full of water to wash off the mask, or you can directly go to the bathroom. Oh my god, I'm shocked to see the difference. How my feet were earlier. What a great difference. Now I'm going to apply Rich Feel Tulsi Massage Cream. It really is a great moisturizer. Just massage it all over your feet. You can use any regular moisturizer or lotion to hydrate your skin. This cream smells really good. And now finally I'm going to apply Lakme True Color shade 417. Pedicure is after all incomplete without applying a nail polish. Wipe off the edges to have a clear look. And ta-da! We are done with our pedicure. Can you see the difference? I clearly see the difference and I'm really happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video.